Hello, salut à tous. This week we're gonna make ice and snow. Someone asked in the comments if I could make stylized snow or stylized ice. So I thought I could make both in the same material. Here's a demonstration of this material in Substance Player. So you have a ice layer and then a snow layer that you can tweak and erode. So you can play also with the normal intensity. The higher the normal, the more realistic the look, and the lower the intensity, the more stylized the look. So you can have pure ice or full snow cover or a nice blend between the both. You can also, of course, change the ice color. And to some degree, the snow color. So it was really fun to make, and it took approximately 4 to 6 hours, I would say, to make a complete generator. So let's have a look at some reference, the reference that I used. I tried to find everything possible on ArtStation related to ice and snow. Some are realistic, others are purely stylized, some are really good. This one from Stephanie Bulti, or Bult, I don't know. It's a nice one, and she shared the graph. And I liked the technique where she used the polygon 2 with a spatter node. So we may try something similar. Another example here. I like the ridges. So in ice you have very sharp ridges or grooves and very fluid shapes. So we try to have a good blend of those two aspects. Here is a frosty look. But yeah, this one I like this one. I like the ice base that she proposed. So let's make our graph. Metallic roughness workflow. So first thing is just to make a black metallic map. So I thought by using the creased node and crystal 2, I could blend them and get a nice basis for our ridges. I like to use the Blur HQ grayscale when I'm doing a stylized piece because it really helps you get a softer touch. Of course, I'm going to use a directional warp to twist the lines a little. here with a liquid noise and a very low scale. Of course, you can blend two directional warps to get more details and a richer surface. I used the head sub because I could get flat areas. Here I'm changing the random seed on the liquid noise. This way I can get more vertical lines in my last blend and a histogram range to make it softer. For the color pass, more and more I'm using a multiply blend or an overlay blend with my height map and a uniform color. It's easier when you want to make a generator. Well, let's see. Once again, the technique used by Stephanie with a polygon 2 and the splatter node to make some ice. I think I can use this technique to make big cracks in the ice. So here I want deep black cracks, so that's why I used a levels node. These cracks will be blended into the ice with a min darken blend. For something to work with the min darken blend, it has to be black or dark. Here's a good way to add details. The Clouds 2 is a cool node to break the shapes when you make rocks or cracks. And here with a copy blending mode, it's a nice way to find the right balance between very angular cracks and the more organic one brought by the slope blur. Now it's just a matter of finding the right disposition of the cracks into our square. Now I'm making the snow. And I like to reuse what's in the graph. So here I'm just using the big cracks to make a snow pass. I think it's an unconventional way to use a make it tile patch. So here I'm just sending the histogram range also to the base color, which really helps setting the ice layer. When you send the snow in the snow addition blend node, you don't see much with the overlay blending mode as long as you don't use a mask in the opacity slot. Now I want to bring a bit of texture to the snow. I wanted the snow to be not completely smooth, and I wanted it to have an erosion feature. I don't know if erosion is the correct word, but I wanted to have the feeling that the wind carved the snow on the ground. So this is our erosion blend node with a min darken. We have to tweak the levels node. And now it's time to make the mask. And here I chose a grunge map. This one in particular, because with a histogram scan, you'll see the effect. It's like snow falls at the bottom of the wall or the cliff, the ice cliff, and the more it falls, the more it builds up vertically, as you can see here. And then I had a small dilation or erosion node just to give a light erosion boost. You can download this node on a Substance Share. And also, I'm sending the snow into the roughness with a new blend. Because of course, snow and ice roughnesses are not the same. Snow tends to be a bit rougher, so more white in the roughness map. So we are starting to get there. We have our snow mask and our erosion, snow erosion. Then I thought I could also make a snow color pass just to see it more precisely. And we'll just send the snow mask to the opacity slot. Here I'm just checking and using the PBR safe color because as you can see with the PBR validate node wasn't correct. The white value was too high. So we have a really nice color blending from the snow to the ice. It's like a fake subsurface scattering of the light. Here I'm just exposing some parameters to make our quick and easy generator. And then all there's left to do is to name the groups. and label each parameter. And here's the final result in Substance Player, where you can play with the snow level, the erosion. You can get really cool effects. Really nice. With a good tessellation effect and a good height map, you really get a believable effect. You can turn down the normal intensity to make it more stylized, softer. So that's it for our snow and ice material. If you have any questions or if you have requests for future projects, of course, you can let me know. Thank you. See you soon.